Hello and welcome. Brett here with clickmail.co. In this video, we're going to be looking at total clicks and what that looks like. Now, again, this is going to look different depending on how your time frame is set up. So again, we're starting on the 3-month time view. And if we need to go in, great. If not, then that's fine. Now you're going to see here that we have a total of 122,000 clicks over the last 3 months. Okay. Now, what you're going to see is, average, somewhere around 13 to 1400 clicks per day. So if we have a fluctuation that is outside of a reasonable norm, like this right here, that is a significant fluctuation. You're talking about average 1400 a day and you're down to 900. That's a massive, it's like, what, a 40% decline in traffic. That is serious. So what is it that's happening on these days that is causing that fluctuation? That's a question we're probably going to want to ask. Another interesting question with clicks is, you see over here, it's a lot more erratic. And over here, it is much more stable. So what is it that's causing that? Why did all of a sudden our website traffic stabilize? And what could be the potential reasons for that? So some of the things that I'm kind of questioning in my mind, even looking at these clicks, is, did we change something in an article? Was there an article that we got rid of that was causing a lot of ups and downs and the rest of the articles are stable? Did Google change its algorithm and it's actually a little bit more even now day to day? What's going on there? Now, this is clicks and these are dates down at the bottom. So you see clicks here, dates here. Now, I want to just also make sure we understand what clicks is. So when we go to the Google Search Console, the Google search engine, and let's just go back to contractors. We'll just follow that one. Contractors near me. And again, it's not going to track clicks on any of these things that are not an organic page listing. So here's an organic page listing. Let's say this was the client site you're working on. When we look at this, it's an impression. So in the next video, we're going to be looking at impressions, and we're being impressed. It is impressing itself upon us. So that's an impression. A click is when I actually click my mouse on it, and now their Google Search Console in real life will report a click. So that is what a click is when we go from Google search engine, the search results, click on a listing, and then go into the website. So that is what this means by clicks. And so average of about 1400 a day in clicks. And now, as we go further into the detail of the site, we can start looking at exact URLs here and how many clicks each of those URLs get. And we're going to look at that in another video. We're going to get into pages, URLs, countries. Where's our main sources of traffic? Now, if you're a local business, this is probably going to be a little bit more centralized. In our case, we're a digital marketing firm. We offer services internationally. We do trainings internationally. And so we're going to have a lot of countries that our articles are going to rank for because we're not locally targeting those. We're not saying marketing services in Boston, Massachusetts. It's online. So we can rank for a large amount of places. If you're working with a local business, then this may be a little bit more centralized, and that's fine too. You would want to keyword target your articles and your content locally. Okay, so now we can see clicks by devices, search appearance, dates, and clicks by search term. All right, so this is clicks. In the next video, we're going to overlay impressions onto clicks, and we're going to see how that affects what we're looking at on Google Search Console. So we'll see you there.